So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and make a reel of photos on your Instagram account where you can kind of go through and like swipe through the photos on Instagram, but it's on a reel. Now, to do this, it is a little bit of a process, so keep that in mind. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it's also a little trial and error. But what you want to do to get started is you want to click on the plus button in your Instagram application. So click on the plus button and you want to go ahead and make a post. So click on the post option and click on the two squares that show up right here in the top. So go ahead and tap onto the 4 different or however many different photos you want to choose. And then once you choose your photos under post, click on the next button. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on the add music option, which shows up here. Tap on the add music option and you want to go ahead and bring in a song that you want to go ahead and basically bring in. So you have to bring in a song. It's the only way it's going to work. Then click on the next button down here to choose that song. So once the song is chosen and it's added, you want to go ahead and click on next. Now here you can go ahead and bring in the description, whatever you want to do and whatever you want to post. And whenever everything is kind of set and everything looks good, you want to click on share. Now, it does kind of take a little bit of trial and error like I stated, but at a certain point you should be able to go through and see your Instagram video or your reel kind of show up like this. And sometimes it will show up as a reel, sometimes it will show up as a video. It really just depends. So you're going to have to kind of mess around with it a little bit, but at a certain point you should be able to see that hopefully in some cases it will show up as a reel that some people can see. And it depends on the way they kind of look at it, but that is just a way to kind of mess around with it and kind of do it. So, and you also see this post right here where it says create reel from this post. You can tap on create reel from this post, and then let's see what happens here. You can click on next, click on next again. Let's see what happens. And I don't think that's going to do anything, but that is just another option if you want to mess around with it. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.